out there, the big corporate OTAs that are controlling your customer. They're controlling your policies, they're controlling your payments, and they're holding on to them. We feel the best way to move share, you know, all you guys raised your hands, you want to grow book direct. That's awesome. You can't do that on your own. You're all travelers. You're not going to go look at 15 or 20 different property manager websites in Myrtle Beach. You're going to go to Airbnb or Vrbo. So until we as an industry give travelers an alternative to Airbnb and Vrbo that's a book direct marketplace savvy, we're not giving them anywhere else to go. So you're not going to be able to move material share. You can have a great website, you can have great photos, you can have a great booking engine. For your repeat guests, your word of mouth, that'll be great for your book direct. But if you really want to move material reservations off of Airbnb and Vrbo and the big OTAs, we collectively have to sort of create the rebellion, stand up a website where travelers can go that's not Airbnb and Vrbo, where they don't spend an extra $400 or $500 on a reservation just to go to the platform. So that's what we're doing, and that's why the rebellion.